A point is 30 mm above XY line is the front view of 2 points, capital A and capital B. The top view of A is 40 mm behind VP and the top view of B is 45 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the points and state the quadrant in which the points are situated. Now, first we will go to draw the XY line and you mark VP and you here in this there are two mark the XY line and here he says 30 mm above XY line is the front view of 2 points capital A and capital B. First we are going to draw a vertical projector and then he says 30 mm above XY line. As he says 30 mm above XY line, from the XY line you measure 30 mm and you mark this point. He says the front views of 2 points capital A and capital B. So that means it becomes A dash and B dash. The top view of A is 40 mm behind VP. So the behind VP means it will be in the second quadrant. So here when you look from the top view we can see the distance behind VP. So that behind VP when it is rotated it will come above XY line. So that means the 40 mm behind VP will come above XY line. This is the top view of A. So obviously this point will be A. So that means from here you measure the distance of top view of 40 mm and you mark this point as small a. And the top view of B is 45 mm in front of VP. So when you look from the top view, that means in front of VP will be in the first quadrant. So when you look from the top view, the distance of in front of VP of 45 mm is going to lies on the XY HP. So that means it will going to be small b. When you rotated this down, then the top view of B will going to be on the below XY line. So you can see that 45 mm of the point top view of B will going to be below XY line. So from XY line you measure 45 mm and you mark this point as small b and write the dimensions of 30, 40 and 45. Now draw the projections. So that is what we have done here, and state the quadrants in which the points are situated. So in order to find the quadrants, so as we seen here the front view and the top view of the point A is above XY line. So that means the front and top view will be above XY line only in the second quadrant. So point capital A lies in second quadrant. And here the front view of B, that is B dash, will be above XY line and the top view of the point B will be below XY line. If the front view is above XY line and the top view is below XY line, then it must be in the first quadrant. Therefore capital B is in first quadrant. So this is what we need to write in the sketchbook.